Romania is located in Eastern Europe and has 19 million inhabitants. Before the Second War, here lived 800,000 Jews, but after the Holocaust only half of them survived, and because of the Aliyah, now there are only 7,000 Jews living in Romania in 39 small communities spread all over the country. All these communities are united under an umbrella organization called the Federation of Jewish Community of Romania. And this federation, through the welfare department, now is helping more than 2,000 Jews, children in need with families, and elderly. Historically, the JDC was always a partner of the Jewish community of Romania for more than 100 years. A lot of programs, a lot of activities were done together with the support of JDC. We always knew the JDC was here in good and in bad times. When the COVID struck and the pandemic started, we had a lot of new poor people, and we were very glad when the JDC launched the Humanitarian Relief Fund, because we don't know what a lot of families would have done without this fund. Just one example. The Mureșan family living in Cluj-Napoca, a quite rich town in the center of Romania. The mother, who worked in sales for hotels, lost her job and became unemployed. The husband, who was also working in sales for a public company, almost lost his job. The company decided not to fire him, but to give him the minimum wage, which is very little, about $300 per month. The girl at 4 years old already had 3 surgeries for hernia, and the boy unfortunately has autism with language difficulties. He needs speech therapy. Both of them needs kinetotherapy. So everything costs only for medical treatments about $500 per month. From the rest, they have to pay for the maintenance, for the electricity, for the phone, for the clothes. Mrs. Mureșan said to me that she doesn't know how they would have survived without this help from the JDC, because all this help was used for food for the 2 parents and the 2 children. As the Haggadah says, the God was always trying to help the Jews with the outstretched arm and the mighty hand. And for us, this was always the joint, the JDC, who was the outstretched arms that helped us through good and to bad.